So today I'm going somewhere a little bit different today. I'm going to an aerodrome. It's not far from Camposol, it's about 15 minutes away. Never been here before. It's it's alright, I'm just watching the traffic. Anyway, I'm on Camposol obviously. Now,
200 meters, merge on
just coming off out of A, I'm going on to the RM3. You can hear my sat nav on as well because I don't know where I'm going, so just bear with the sat nav. So we're going to the RM3 again to Totana way.
Continue on route 3 for 9 kilometers.
So this is off the cuff. So as always, no planning. So what you hear is what you're getting at the moment. So I've been invited to the Aeroclub at Totana. I'm not really sure what I'm expecting to see, but I believe that obviously they do flights out of this airport along the coast, especially if you're on a holiday doing a bit of sightseeing. Or even people that actually live here have never really seen the landscape from high up above. I mean, this is what amazes me where I live in Camposol. We got so many sort of facilities. The train stations at Totana. We got a small aerodrome just on the outside of Totana where we're going today. There is another aerodrome the other side of the Condado, so both within 15 minutes away, I suppose. And obviously then you got your main airports, which would be Corvera. Now we're going to keep in the two left-hand lanes. If we went over to the right, we'd go on down towards Alhambra Murcia and Murcia itself, but we're not going that way today, so we're still staying on the RM3. It's a little bit cloudy today. Temperatures coming up to about 20, I suppose. Straight in front of us, straight in front is the Sierra Spooner, the big mountain range. Yeah. Now to our left, you can't see it, but it's another town that I usually get all my building supplies from, El Paraton. But we're not going that way, we're going...
In 800 meters, take exit 5 toward route 315, Los Canteros.
Yeah, we're going that way.
Take exit 5. In 150 meters, at the roundabout, take the third exit.
Okay, so what we're going on to now will be what they class as the service roads.
Exit the roundabout, then turn right.
So we're going down the service road now. Just over a little bit of a rambler then. So what we're doing now, we're actually following along the RM3 at the moment.
Take the next right.
Okay, so we go in this direction. Now this looks like, oh no, it's right, you have to be watching these roads sometimes.
In 600 meters, turn right.
So a bit of planting going on, don't know what it is. Oh, there's a big pothole there. That's the only problem with the service roads, that they do tend to have big potholes every now and again. And I'm stuck behind a farming tractor thing. I've got to turn right in a minute. I assume it's this one. Looks like probably it's where the tractor's going. Down here now. Somebody's doing a bit of burning. So it looks like we've got a grapevine going on in there under the canvas.
Continue for 1 kilometre.
Now today is Saturday. We usually see a lot more people about on the weekend. Usually. So we're actually right in the middle of the farming area now. You can see a lot of planting going on. And also, if you notice, not one signpost. There's definitely a sat nav road. I can see a plane to our left now.
In 400 meters,
you won't be able to see it on the camcorder, but I can see a plane there. So I'd imagine they are probably doing flights out today as well. So I've got to turn left in a minute. Okay, what's that say?
Take the next left.
Oh yeah, so that's right. So we're actually on the old cycle path now, which is interesting. So if we went behind us now, this cycle path would take us back to that old railway station building. So this is actually the cycle path. Now this cycle path will go right up to the old train station, to the actual train station in Totana. Ooh. Right, so we're very close to the aerodrome now. Let's say airport then. See, a very straight road, so this would have been obviously the railway track that would have been built. But you didn't get around to build it, so it's been so handy catching the train from Mavron, or even the back of Camposol back down to here. But maybe in years to come they might actually do that. Right, I think I'll get a glimpse of the aerodrome to our right, but not 100% sure on that. Ooh. Watch the ramps, which they haven't marked. Okay, oh, I can see another plane going out, and I don't know if you can catch that. It's a red plane just going up. You can see the airplane sign now, and we're going to turn right in a minute. So there's obviously the car park. Right, so here's the turn in.
Take the next right, then you will arrive at your destination.
So is that for visitors? Okay. Bit tight, isn't it? So you can just see a plane going over there. So Let's check it out.